Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. Hope all are doing good. Like, share, subscribe and click on the bell icon for the latest notification of the upcoming videos. The topic covered in this session is painted cube. So already we have covered a session based on cube and I told you that we have questions based on painted cube in our competitive exams. So that we'll cover in this session. So before going into the questions of painted cube, I'll just give you an idea of what a cube is and important terms that we have to know, and some of the shortcuts and tips and tricks to crack these kind of questions. So we know a cube has 6 faces. In the sense, consider yourself sitting inside a room and your room is a cube. So you have 6 faces like front one, back one, right, left, up and down. So totally 6 faces. Then 12 edges. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 at the top, 4 at the bottom, then 5, 6, 7, 8. So totally 12 edges and 8 corners. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This remains the same for whatever dimension of the cube it may be. Okay. So here I have shown a few varieties of or dimensions of cube. See, 2 by 2, 3 by 3, 4 by 4 and 5 by 5. It is how it looks. Okay. Now, you have to know the basic difference between a cube and a cuboid. What is the difference between cube and cuboid? In cube, you have length, breadth and height all of same. Whereas in cuboid, it differs. That is the basic difference between a cube and cuboid. See, so while calculating the number of pieces or unit cubes, for a cube, you will calculate by side the whole cube. Whereas for cuboid, it will be length into breadth into height, since all the three values varies. Okay, so I hope you get my point. Okay, so we have seen some of the important terms that we have to know about a cube. Now we'll see how to solve a painted cube. For example, I have taken a 3 by 3 cube. I will explain it to you using this and I will help you to solve the kind of questions that will be asked, and I will give you some other questions for practice. Okay, do practice so that you will easily understand the concept. See, here I have taken a 3 by 3 cube and we have opposite surfaces painted the same color. See, red, yellow and green, totally 6 faces, 2 red, 2 yellow and 2 green. Okay, opposite faces. Now the question will be like, find the number of cubes having 3 surfaces painted, 2 surfaces painted, 1 and no surface painted. These are the common questions asked. So we'll see how to find it. See, number of cubes having 3 surface painted, which means all the 3 surface of the cube is painted. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 at the top and 4 at the bottom, totally 8. Okay, keep in mind that the number of cubes having 3 surfaces painted is always 8. However, the dimension changes, which means if it is even for 2 by 2 or 4 by 4 or 5 by 5 or 6 by 6 and so on, it will be 8 when the question is number of cubes having 3 surface painted, which means all the 8 corners is painted with 3 surface. Okay, got my point? Next question is number of cubes having 2 surface painted. See, in the middle ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 4 opposite side, up 2 and bottom 2, totally 12. We have 12 edges, so 12 cubes have 2 surfaces painted. Then number of cubes having 1 surface painted, it is at the middle. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, totally 6 faces, so 6 into 1, so which is 6. So number of cubes having no surface painted. In actual terms, you imagine it cutting, so all the cubes except the middle one, okay, that is middle row, middle one, all the cubes will have surface painted and only one cube have no surface painted, so it is 1. Hope you understood. This is how the actual concept is, but since in our examination we cannot use the concept, go for long steps and find, we have some tips and tricks to solve these questions easily. So this is the formulas. Okay, like number of cubes having no surface painted, which is n minus 2 the whole cube. Number of cubes having one surface painted is n minus 2 the whole square into 6. 6 is nothing but 6 faces. Okay, we will have 6 faces now, so that is 6. Number of cubes having 2 surface painted is n minus 2 into 12. 12 is nothing but edges. Okay, in edges only we will have 2 surface painted, so into 12. Number of cubes having 3 surface painted is 8. As I told you, it is the same for whatever dimension it may be. So okay, next, there cannot be a cube which has more than 3 surface painted. Okay, so always the maximum question they can ask is about 3 surface painted. Okay, then one more thing I have to say is, if if a bigger cube is given and it is cut into pieces, we'll have how many smaller cubes? That is one question we'll have. So to find that, what we'll find is the side A centimeter is cut into small cube of B centimeter. So A by B the whole cube. Okay, when you find this, you will get the number of smaller cubes. Okay, now I'll just solve a actual question. This is how a question looks for your competitive exam. So this, I have taken some previous year question, and we'll just look into it and solve it. And I have given you a question for you to do and check the answer with this slide. And also I have added one more question that you have to solve, and I will give you the answer in maybe in next video. Okay, we'll discuss it. Now see, a cube of each side 4 centimeter has been painted black, red and green on pairs of opposite faces. It is then cut into smaller cubes of each 1 centimeter. So of side 4 centimeter, 3 colors, black, red and green, and painted on opposite faces. It is cut into small cubes of 1 centimeter. First question is, how many small cubes will be there? See, previously we have seen, use that. So 4 by 1, okay, the whole cube, which is 4 cube, which is 64. So totally 64 small cubes will be formed when it is cut. Okay, next question, how many small cube will have 3 faces painted? As I told you, it will be 8 for all the dimensions. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 at top and 4 at bottom. How many small cubes will have only 2 faces painted? See, 12 edges into, see, 1, 2. In each you have 2. So 12 into 2, which is 24. Then how many small cubes will have 1 face painted? See, totally 1, 2, 3, 4 in 1 face. So totally there are 6 faces. So 6 into 4, which is 24. How many small cubes will have no face painted? So cutting it, you will have middle 2 rows, in which middle 8 will have no surface painted. This is how you have to look into question, but at times you may get confused. So use those formulas to solve this question so that you can solve it very easily within seconds. Okay. Next question, how many small cubes will have only 2 face painted black and green and all other faces unpainted? As I told you, opposite faces are painted the same color. Okay, so 2 faces painted black and green. Okay, so leave one color, that is red color. So consider this yellow as black. Okay, for my convenience I have taken yellow and green. Okay, yellow and green. What is the question? 2 faces painted. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Top 4 and bottom 4, totally 8. How? 1 only painted green and red. Again the same question, but the color changes. Again you will have 8. Next question is also black and red, will have 8. How many small cubes will have only black painted? Black painted means 2 opposite faces. So 4 plus 4, 8. Only red painted, again 8. Only green painted, again 8. Next question, how many small cubes will have at least 1 face painted? At least 1 face painted means you should include 1 face painted, 2 face painted and 3 face painted. We have already found it in previous questions. So add all the 3 and you will get it as 56. That is 3 face painted, 2 face painted and 1 face painted, which is 24 plus 24 plus 8, which is 56. how many small cubes will have at least two face painted, means we have to consider two face painted and three face painted. On adding up, you get 32 as the answer. Hope you understood this question. Next, I have given you a question for you to try, and I have given you the answer in the next slide. So before going into the answer slide, just try this question, try by yourself and just check it with the answer. Once you try using the concept, and again you try solving using the formula also, so that you'll get used to the formula, and you can easily solve it. Okay, and we also have questions based on cuboid, but mostly you'll have cube questions only. So the shortcut for cuboid is the same as cube, but the only difference is, as I told you, for cube, length, breadth and height are same, whereas for cuboid it is different. So we will divide for length, breadth and height. Okay, if it is totally 6, we'll give 2 to length, 2 to breadth and 2 to height. If it is totally 12, we'll give 4 to length, 4 to breadth and 4 to height. That is the only difference. See, number of cubes 3 side painted is always 8, whether it is cube or cuboid. Then 2 side painted is, see, we have given us 12 into n minus 2. Instead, we'll give 4 a minus 2 plus 4 into b minus 2 plus 4 into c minus 2. One side painted, we have seen as 6 into n minus 2. Here, n minus 2 the whole square. Here, what we'll do? 2 into a minus 2 into b minus 2 plus 2 into b minus 2 c minus 2 plus 2 into a minus 2 c minus 2. Then 0 side painted, we have given us n cube. Instead, we'll have n minus 2 the whole cube. Here, we'll have a minus 2 into b minus 2 into c minus 2. That is the only difference. Then I have added a question for cuboid here, and I'll discuss the answer in the next session. So I want you to try and put the answer in the comment box. We'll check and we'll discuss it in the next section. Hope you understood the concept of painted cube, and this is quite easy if you know the formula. So thank you, and keep supporting and watch other videos to practice more questions, so you'll end up with the right answers. Thank you.